What up, YouTube? We got some KFC.
What up, YouTube?
Bucket of 8 extra crispy drum legs, 2 large gravies, Nashville hot mac and cheese, 2 large White Lightning Mountain Dews. And we got our co-host.
Hello, hi.
This KFC came in piping hot, so we have to let it cool off. Like it was like piping hot, man. So
You couldn't even touch the package when it came here. He touched it. He's like, "Holy shit, that's hot."
so put up those large gravies. We got the gravy for dunking the extra crispy chicken.
Ugh. Ah. Sorry. Theatrical effect.
Now I've had the extra crispy legs dumped in the gravy, so I want to try some of this Nashville hot chicken mac and cheese.
Well, if that's what you're doing, I'll join you. Apart from watching you. Oh.
That smells fucking amazing.
Oh. Can everything smell this good? I hope it tastes as good as it smells.
Nashville hot KFC with mac and cheese. Let's see how it do.
I'm gonna pop the sport. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm having a good day. This is a good morning. Do I try the mac and cheese or the chicken first?
That's got a little kick to it.
Let me try this mac and cheese. Oh, fuck me, Daddy.
Yeah, KFC makes good food.
Shit. I got some bite to it. I can feel it in my sinuses right now. I took one bite.
Ooh, that's got a little kick to it.
Uh-huh. That's why I just got done saying. Holy shit. I might save half of this bowl for when I leave. Ooh, holy shit.
That'll keep you warm for the fucking walk.
Oh, yeah. You've seen temperature this morning? It's like -5 this morning when I woke up. I haven't tried the chicken in this bowl yet, but I'll get ready to.
It's got a little kick to it. Spicy, fucking flavorful, juicy.
I'm sorry, ladies, but if a man takes you to KFC and buys you all the drinks and everything that you require, fuck him. Fuck him. Come on, seriously, it's just one load. It's not like your ass is a dump truck.
That Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning is what we got here. 2 large. I said White Lightning. I meant to say Sweet Lightning, but it is what it is.
White lightning. We're asking an old song that I can't place the name of.
Ooh, that Nashville hot chicken got a kick to it. It's spicy. I didn't think I had the, I thought they might have given me the wrong one for a second, but then when I tried to bite it, and I'm like, oh fuck, that's got a little bit of kick in the back of the throat, dude.
I felt it in my sinuses first. Then I felt it in my taste buds. But my taste buds are kind of fucked up, so. And then my throat. As it went down. Ooh. And we need some Jack Daniels to go with this shit, buddy. I'll say this fucking later. Right now. Oh shit, there's no room. Oh wait, I found some. Right here. I'm saving that for later. For a drink combo. That sounds good as fuck.
KFC, your Nashville hot chicken has got plenty of heat to satisfy the Cobra's taste buds.
Plenty of heat to satisfy the Cobra's taste buds. We need to go to Nashville now. Because I want to find something else that satisfies your taste buds.
You got a bucket full of like 8 pieces of extra crispy drumsticks.
Ooh.
Look at the extra crispy drumstick action. It's cooled off enough to where it's lukewarm, but not like piping hot or super cold.
Sorry, it's Nashville, Tennessee hot fucking mac and cheese bowl.
I'm gonna like dunk that gravy action in there. Oh, somebody stop me.
Alright, you dunked your drumstick in that gravy. I'm gonna dump my drumstick in that gravy.
Oh, that's the stuff. It's not spicy, it's just savory and sweet.
Bro, I believe it. I got a bun in my own. But,
You go to KFC.
Ooh-wee.
Extra crispy drumsticks and gravy is where it's at.
Ooh-wee, wait.
For the next couple of hours, my cameo is only going to be like $10 a shout out. Like I said on my community page, so get it while you can.
I think you all have already ordered. He will fulfill his order in
Yeah,
time.
thank you to everyone who has been blowing that up. I really appreciate it.
It was my proposition to gift y'all YouTubers with this food review. And Josh concurred.
I'm like, yeah, man, I don't mind featuring Sasha on a food review. There's two homies eating out some good KFC, man.
I am a foodie just like you, so. And people have said my food, my opinion on your food and whatnot is interesting and good. You know Colonel Sanders was denied a bank loan 3 times because nobody in the South liked his chicken?
That's sad.
Yeah.
And rest in peace, Colonel Sanders. He hates how KFC screwed him. I heard the history of it. But I'm sorry, but this is good chicken.
I worked in restaurants 16 years. I'm glad I'm not working in restaurants no more because it's a dead-end business.
Now, I've had the extra crispy chicken and gravy. It's amazing. But I haven't tried their Nashville hot chicken. I see all the foodies trying it. I'm like, I gotta get me some of that action.
I'm gonna have some more of this mac and cheese.
Go for it. I got one for each of us.
I got 2 guns, 1 foot each.
Yeah.
Alright.
Fried chicken Fridays, motherfucker. Pick that shit clean.
I know sluts like it is better than you. Oh, shit. Shit. That's horrible. You know, I know him. I'm related to him.
Oh, look at that chicken action. Oh, isn't that sexy? Extra crispy KFC drum leg dunked in gravy. Oh, somebody. Somebody feed a motherfucker, dude. God damn. Oh, that crispy action.
If a woman gave me fried chicken like this and then asked me to fuck her, I would do it in a heartbeat. Slowly, passionately.
I want to try some of that gravy and that spicy mac and see how it hit. Just a little bit for the
taste buds, just
yes.
to explore your, entrepreneurship, and we'll see how it do.
Now, if you're not tired, extra crispy KFC dunked in their gravy, you're missing out.
You know, it's one of my favorite things to order from KFC when I do go there. I order gravy and their biscuits. Biscuits and gravy from KFC. And the funny thing about the KFC that we have here, if you go in the building, right, and order it, look at the floor of our KFC versus the rest of the building. It's a darker red on the floor than it is the rest of the building, because the floor of the building is the floor from the original building that burnt down. That's why it looks darker. It's not darker, it's smoke stained. Yeah, that's the original floor.
Okay, that Hoshfield Natural Hot Chicken is really good with the gravy on it. Oh, that's cheesy, creamy, spicy as a motherfucker. Well, I'm gonna say one of those lids for my, for mine, because I want to have mine for later.
I might too, but I might end up finishing it. I don't know.
And if you want to finish it, go for it.
I do not know, good sir. Good sir.
Now, what can I say about that Natural Hot Chicken? It's fucking got a kick in the back of your throat, YouTube. Mixing it with the gravy, add like a little bit of savoriness to it.
It's got a kick in the back of your throat. Well, obviously, if you're big enough, Daddy.
Using my trans friend to make some smart ass comment.
No, if I'm gagging on that shit, you know you're big.
Go ahead and grab you a slice. Oh shit.
And I'm sorry, Walter. I don't gag on my toothbrush.
Jeff Dunham.
Sorry, I mean lively and trying to be fun and facetious.
That's good KFC, folks. Go ahead and grab you a leg.